Hello again, everybody. This is Toastmaster Tim with another video tutorial on FreeToast Host. The tutorial today is number 6 in the series. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to create a custom web page. How to create a custom web page on your FreeToast Host website. And that custom page, of course, will show up in your left side menu. It could either be in the main menu or members only, depending on what you call it or what type you make it. But we'll get to that in a little bit. So we're here at my website, and hopefully you're at yours, and you launch the admin console. Once you've launched the admin console, you click up here where it says select a module, website settings, click there and go down to custom web page. Now what you have done is you have started to create a new page. And what you need to do is you need to put some information into the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. So I'm just going to put test page in here just as a placeholder. And now I'm going to scroll down. Remember, we're just concentrating on the basics today. And I'm going to call this test page. And I need to take this information, or you do in your case. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this because this needs to go here, here, and down here also. Or at least something needs to go in there. For a link, you only do the web page title or link title. For a page, you put information in here, and in here under the name, description, and keywords. Now, we can save this right now, and we have created a custom page. But before we do that, I'm going to take you down. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page because it's something very important that I want to show you right here. Here is the page type. And you can make this public access, members only, officers only, or unlisted. Now, public and members and officers only, those might be obvious to you, but why have an unlisted page? Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. Let's say that you're going to be creating a very complicated and time-consuming web page that's going to take you a few days to create. Then what I would suggest is that you make it unlisted. That way it doesn't show up in your menu until you're done with it. So that's one reason. Another reason why you might want to make a page unlisted is, let's say you've created a web page and about a contest or some kind of open house or something like that, and you're done with that. That time has passed. Well, rather than deleting that page, you can go in and you can make that page unlisted. That way you've got access to that page later on when you can go in, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just go into that unlisted page and you can change dates and change some of those other parameters and use that page once again. All right, enough of that. Now let's go ahead and save this. Now it's public access, so when I save this, what's going to happen is that it's going to tell me succeed or success, new page saved, and it tells me the page name and that it's public. And so if I close this and then close once again, that will show up in the left side menu over here. We're going to have to scroll down and there it is. Now I click on this, well, I'm already there, so I don't need to click on it. But here it is. This is the full extent of what we just did. We created a test page. And in order to edit this page now, we can either go in right here where it says edit this page, or we could, if we're not on the page, launch the admin console and go to it that way and get to it that way. If I launch the admin console, click on website settings, go to custom web pages, and then once it shows up here, we scroll down through this and there's the name of my page. And I can click there and it takes me to my test page where I can edit now. That's all I'm going to talk about today. We created a page. In my next tutorial, I'm going to talk about working on this page in the WYSIWYG and how you can add images and use tables and that sort of thing. That's it. Thank you for listening. This is Toastmaster Tim signing off.